Hello everyone, this is video 6 part 3. Here we are going to discuss the data structures like tuples and sets. So first we will see tuples. Tuples are immutable, means they are not modifiable. Tuple is used for representing records and structures. These records or structures store information about a subject together. Here are some examples of tuples. So tuple 1 represent a single number containing one digit, that is 5. Then we have tuple 2 where all string data type variables are stored, and tuple 3 we have mixed data types present in the tuple. So tuples can be used to store different data types also. So as we have mentioned that tuples are immutable. How it is so? Let us see. So we have tuple 2 which has 3 elements. So let us see what is at element index 1. So let us see what is that. First of all, we should run the code. So it is B present at tuple index 1. So suppose we want to modify it, we assign D to tuple index 1 where B is residing. So what will be the output? Let us see. Now the tuple cannot be changed, so this type error has occurred over here. So tuple object does not support item assignment, so we cannot change the tuple value by assigning new value just like list. So let us see how we can proceed further with the tuples. So we have seen that div mod, this particular function gives us values in tuple. So suppose we have put two numbers in the div mod function, it will produce division as well as remainder, means quotient and remainder. So these values are in tuple and they are assigned like this. So tuples can be accessed like the shown way. So quotient is 33 and remainder is 1. Similarly, we can access the value like we can access the values in list. Similar way we can access the values in tuples. So tuple 1 from 2 to 5. 2 to 5, the index starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 2 to 5, 2, 3, 4. So first print function will produce 3, 4, 5 number. Then we have print tuple from 0 to 8. So 0 to 8 will be printed, and print tuple all the values. So all the values will be printed. So this is how we can print the tuple values. Then we have updating the tuples. So tuple can be added together. So tuple can append another tuple into it like this. So we have taken tuple 1 where 1, 2, 3 are the elements in the tuple, and tuple 2 we have 4, 5, 6 elements. So combining these two tuples, tuple 3 will produce another tuple which contains values from 1 to 6. So this is how we can update the tuples. Deleting tuple element is not possible. So let us see what is the result. So it produces again type error. Tuple object does not support item deletion. So they are immutable. so the elements in the tuples cannot be deleted, but we can delete the tuple from the program. So it is very easy, so we will delete it. Now the first line will delete tuple 1, so that's why tuple 1 has gone out of the scope and printing tuple 1 is not possible now. So that's why this name error appears over here. So name tuple 1 is not defined. Now let us see tuple operations. Tuple operation, first is print the length. So we will take a tuple of 5 elements and we will print the length of tuple, so it is 5. Similarly, whether the 5 number is present in the tuple or not, that can be accessed through membership operator. So we have printed the statement 5 in the tuple 1 to 5 elements. So naturally 5 is present, so it will be true. And then we will find out what is the max value in tuple 1. So tuple 1 max value is 5. So we have put we have taken max function and we have passed tuple 1 into it. Similarly, minimum function tuple 1 is passed into it. So let us see what are the values. So output should be 5 and 1. Then we have nested tuples. So tuple in tuple is called as nested tuple. So we have taken topper as one tuple. Then we have subtuples like Ashish and his percentage, Nilesh and his percentage, and Prathamesh and his percentage. So how to iterate through this tuple, let us see. So we will take for loop for I in topper, and we will print I. So let us see what is the result. So all records are getting printed one by one. So suppose we want to find out how many times this Ashish 100 has appeared in the tuple. So it has appeared for one time only. So toppers.count, passing the tuple value or element in the tuple, we get the count of that particular element. Similarly, suppose we increase Ashish one more time. So its value will be 2. See, its value is 2. Similarly, toppers in index. Let us find out index of the particular particular element. So here we will find Ashish 100 tuples index in the topper list. So now there are two so it will get confused. So we will delete this first. And we have got 0th index. Suppose we add this Ashish again in the topper tuple. What will be the value? Let us see. So it will show us at what index first it appears. Then it is zip and enumerate. So zipping function help us to create tuples from the two different data structures or same data structures, forming a tuple having the values inside. So let us see what is first. We have taken tuple where 1 2 3 4 5 is present, and then we have taken list 1 where A, B, C, D are residing. So if we operate and create a list out of that, what we are going to get is a list of tuples containing the values like 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D and 5E. So let us see the output. Yeah, we have got the same answer that we have expected. Similarly, suppose we want to enumerate anything, any string or any list, then we can go for enumerate function. Means it will give us index, and at that index what exactly is residing, that we can see from the enumerate function. So it is 0 is at A, so we have to take two iterators I and E in enumerate A, B, C, D, E. Then we will print I and E. So at 0 we have A, at 1 we have B, at 2 we have C, and likewise at 4 we have E. Now it's time for sets. Sets are defined as collections of the distinct and well-defined objects forming a group. Suppose we have taken a list, and in that list we taken repetition of some numbers like 4 and 10. Then we create a set out of that with the help of set function. So we have created set S with the help of set function, and we pass list into that set function, and we will print this set value. So what will be the output? It will be a set of distinct values. So 4 repetition has been cancelled, and we have got the collection of distinct valued elements. So that's all. That was the end of part 3, video 6. Thank you very much.